cute kiss. Hi friends! In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family in the rain. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Daddy Pig, starting with his nose and his face. Then I draw his 2 ears and 2 eyes. He is wearing glasses. I continue to draw his mouth and his ears like this. Daddy Pig looks uncomfortable. He is thinking, why does it suddenly rain? Then I draw his body with 2 hands like this. I draw his legs. He is wearing boots. Next to him, I draw Mommy Pig. I also start to draw her nose. Then I draw her face, her ears, and her cute eyes like this. I draw her opening mouth and her cheek. She says, "Run, run, it's raining." Then I draw Mommy Pig's body. Draw her legs in boots like this. Next, I draw Jack Pig. He's a cute little pig with a little nose like this. Then I draw his face and his ears. I draw his 2 eyes and his mouth. Then I draw his body. Jack say, I don't like the rain because it's rain. I cannot play outside. Finally, I draw Peppa Pig. First, I draw her nose and her face. Then I draw her 2 ears and her eyes like this. I continue to draw her mouth. Then I draw her body like this. Hey friends, take a close look at this drawing. Peppa and her family are all wearing boots. It seems like they were jumping up and down in the mud when suddenly it started to rain. But that's okay. After the rain, there will be more mud puddles. At that time, Peppa and her family can play freely. I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use dark blue to draw raindrops like this. Then I use this sky blue watercolor to paint Daddy Pig's suit. Green for his boots. Then I color Mommy Pig's dress orange. her boots, I used dark blue to paint. I also used this color to paint George's suit. Then I used red to paint George's boots and Peppa's dress. Yellow for her boots. Now I'm going to use this light pink watercolor to paint their skin. Green for their sleeves. And gray for clouds in the sky. Yellow. Because it was raining, the sky was covered in a dark color. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!